everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican living in Switzerland. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare a delicious shrimp cocktail, Mexican style. Okay, so the ingredients we need to prepare our shrimp cocktail is 500 grams of shrimp, ketchup, hot sauce. I'm using habanero and tamazula, which is a mix of 2 different chilies, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 avocados, 2 lemons, 1 onion, 4 tomatoes, a pinch of salt, 2 liters of water, and 1 cucumber. Okay, so the first step is to put the 2 liters of water to boil. Once it's boiling, you add your shrimp to cook in it. The shrimp are cooked as soon as they're pink. Those are pretty fast, so as soon as you see they turned pink, they're done. Our shrimp have cooked. They're nice and pink, so they're ready to be strained and put on a plate. Don't throw out the broth. We're going to need that for the shrimp cocktail. Just take out all your shrimp and put them into the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to make a tomato puree for our shrimp cocktail. We take out the center of the tomato, and then I cut it in quarters. We're going to do that with all 4 tomatoes. And in here we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt, whatever you can grab with your 3 fingers. Our tomato puree is finished. The next step is to chop up our onion and our cucumber. We're going to do this in very fine, small pieces. Okay, our onion's been diced up very finely. The next step was the cucumber. There we take off the skin and we're going to cut out the center, the seed part. That's usually quite humid and it's not so nice to chew on the seeds, so we're going to take those off. It's very easy to get them out. Our cucumber is finely chopped, and now the next thing to chop are avocados. Okay, I already started preparing my shrimp cocktails. This is how they're gonna look. They tasted them, they're super delicious. And I'm gonna show you how to set yours up. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of the tomato puree we made earlier, 2 tablespoons of the cucumber, 1 tablespoon of onion, the avocado and shrimp, that's up to you how much you want to add. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of avocado. And the juice of a lemon. I'm only putting 1/4 of the lemon, it's the big yellow ones. And the broth I told you guys earlier to not get rid of, we're going to add here. I'm using a ladle and it's about 2 to 2.5 for this size of cup. It was 2.5 about. And the last part is the ketchup and the hot sauce. This is to taste. Every person likes it different. I like mine sweeter. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm going to add a mix of both hot sauces, about half a teaspoon or a bit more of each. Could be a full teaspoon. And you mix everything. And the last part is just to taste it. If you think it needs any more ketchup or more hot sauce, that's up to you. Everyone likes it different. My husband likes his very spicy. I like mine sweet. So taste and have it ready. So our shrimp cocktail is finished. As you saw, it was super easy, super fast, and it's super delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to check out the other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.